Hello everyone. So, as we have completed the structure of pollen grain, we will also talk about its various characteristics like pollen products. In pollen products to discuss, we have pollens as acting as food supplements, pollen acting as cosmetics. So, if we discuss pollen, pollen grain or pollen products as food supplements, it is used because it is having so many nutritive qualities which I mean is like proteins, carbohydrates, then unsaturated fats. So such type of components, they help in various manners like enhancing performance of the athletes, enhancement of performance of race horses, right? So in tablet forms they are commercialized, right? And if we talk of creams, then we know ladies or women use a lot of creams which help them to protect from UV rays, right? So pollen grain has this characteristics of such type of chemicals which help them to protect from UV, right? And that is the reason why they are being used in various kind of cosmetic products. Next topic is related to pollen viability. Now, the word itself means it everything. Viability means till which time the pollen will be acting properly. So, it is nothing but the duration. The duration during which the pollen can be really functional, right? And various factors also depends how a pollen will remain viable, right? Factors like temperature, factors like humidity, in fact genetic characteristics also plays a role in pollen viability, right? Pollens are seen to have a 30-minute viability, or they may also remain viable for several months. It varies from species to species, and for this reason, or you may say in certain cases, pollens can be cryopreserved. Cryopreserved, 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 which means that they can be like stored as we know, no, in case of seed banks, seeds can be preserved. So likewise, pollens also can be preserved, but how? It has to be put in liquid nitrogen, which will be having a temperature of around minus 97 196 degrees centigrade, and like this way pollen can be stored and can be made as a pollen bank. The next topic is on pollen allergy. Now, allergies are various immunological reactions which occur within the body, and because of pollen there are several allergies which takes place, there are several respiratory disorders which takes place, right? And during a particular season when flowers starts to bloom, it is seen that the pollen grain formation takes place and they are airborne. So because they are airborne, they cause allergies in some individuals, and that is why, like, flowers are not going to develop, flowers are not going to grow throughout the year. So there is a particular season when the flower blooms, and that is why, just because it becomes seasonal, the flowering becomes seasonal, allergies also become seasonal, because it is like directly proportional to pollen grains. So pollen grains available, that means it will disperse in the air, and which will lead to allergies, right? Disorders like asthma, bronchitis, and various other are the reason of such pollens. A nice example of carrot grass, right? uh, which is scientifically known as parthenium. which actually came to India along with food items in the sense wheat, and this started causing allergies. There are other example of plants also, like amaranthus, Amanthus, amaranthus, chenopodium, chenopodium, chenopodium. So such type of plants, their pollens causes allergies.